Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start the topic combustion, flame, and fuels. First of all, we will discuss what do you mean by the term combustion. Children, combustion here simply means that burning of substances. So we can say when substances burn, it is said to be the process of combustion. Now, it is essential on our part to know that how does the process of combustion takes place and what all necessary conditions are required for the process of combustion to take place. Children, we can define combustion as the process of burning a substance in the presence of air or oxygen to produce heat and light. Now, the substances which can catch fire easily, these substances are known as combustible substances. The substances which can catch fire easily in presence of air, these are known as combustible substances. For example, cardboard, paper, coal, wood. These substances burn to produce heat and light. Children, generally combustible substances are made up of hydrogen and carbon. Now, non-combustible substances. Non-combustible substances are those substances which do not burn or catch fire easily in presence of air. These substances are known as non-combustible substances. For example, glass, sand, steel, iron, water. These are the substances which do not catch fire easily. Now, children, we have our next topic, that is necessary conditions for combustion. What are the necessary conditions in order to burn a substance? So the necessary conditions are as under. Number 1, children, the substance which is required to be burned, that substance should be present. It means the presence of combustible substance should be present. First condition is this. Second condition, the spotter of combustion should be there. It means the air or oxygen which supports the process of burning or combustion is also required. So we can say second condition is spotter of the combustion or presence of oxygen or air. And the third condition is attainment of ignition temperature. Children, know what is ignition temperature? Every substance requires a certain temperature to catch fire, or it means the combustible substance should be burned, should be heated. The combustible substance should be heated to its ignition temperature so that it can catch fire. So now we can define ignition temperature like this. It is the lowest or minimum temperature which is required by a combustible substance to catch fire. It is also known as kindling temperature. So children, these were the three conditions required or essential conditions required for the process of combustion. Children, here I would like to specify that in the absence of any one of the above conditions, the process of combustion will not take place. If you remove the combustible substance, what will happen? The process of combustion will stop itself. If you remove the spotter of combustion, even then the process of combustion will stop. So these are the three conditions which are required for the process of combustion. Thank you.